Hello friends, I'm Mrs. Pushpalata Rahul Shinde, lecturer of English, Aryan from Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp Pune. Once again, I'm with you. Earlier we have discussed about the poetry and in our 12th standard new syllabus, the section 1 contains prose. Prose means that section contains lessons. So we are going to learn the lessons from different authors. So we'll discuss about their writing, discuss about their feeling. So first we are going to discuss about one great author R.K. Narayan. He born on 10th October 1906, Chennai in India. His most genre in his writing that is fiction, memoir, humor, and he's died at 13 May 2001. So, the life and the work of the R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is among the best known and most widely read Indian novelists who wrote in English. R.K. Narayan was born in Madras, South India in 1906 and educated there and at Maharaja's College in Mysore. His first novel, Swami and Friends, and its successor, The Bachelor of Arts, are both set in the enchanting fictional territory of Malgudi and are only two out of the 12 novels he based there. In 1958, Narayan's work, The Guide, won him the National Prize of Indian Literary Academy, his country's highest literary honor. So you may know the film Guide, which is the story of the film Guide has been taken from the R.K. Narayan's novel The Guide. In addition to his novels, Narayan has authored five collections of short stories, including A Horse and Two Goats, Malgudi Days, and Under the Banyan Tree, two travel books, two volumes of essays, a volume of memoirs, and the retold legends, gods, demons, and others. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata. In 1980, he was awarded the A.C. Benson Medal by the Royal Society of Literature, and in 1982, he was made an honorary member of the American Academy and Institute of Arts and Letters. Most of Narayan's work, starting with his first novel, Swami and Friend in 1935, captures many Indian traits while retaining a unique identity of its own. He was sometimes compared to the American writer William Faulkner, whose novels were also grounded in the compassionate humanism and celebrated the humor and the energy of ordinary life. Narayan, who lived till age of 94, died in 2001. He wrote for more than 50 years and published until he was 87. He wrote 14 novels, 5 volumes of short stories, a number of travelogues, and collection of non-fiction, condensed versions of Indian epics in English, and the memoir My Days. So, friend, this is the work of the R.K. Narayan. Maybe you may know the name of one serial of the TV show, that is the Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days contains a lots of stories like Daravna Ghar, Mehnati Ladka, Ek Garib Aadmi, and you may are remembering the tune of the Tana Nana Tana Nana. So these short stories are written by the R.K. Narayan. So Malgudi Days contains 19 short stories written by R.K. Narayan. Each chapter portrays the author as a different person in a different profession. For example, Narayan takes on the role of an astrologer, a postman, a doctor, a blind beggar, a Brahmin, a man who faces down a man eating tiger, a man who carves an image of God, and a boy who does not want to go to school. Each character is a citizen of Narayan's fictitious town of Malgudi. According to New York Times, are all believed to be Indian. Each story portrays a facet of life in Malgudi. Narayan created a remarkable complete historical record. Narayan is one of the most widely known Indian authors writing in English and is credited with bringing Indian literature to the rest of the world. In 1986, Malgudi Days and two of Narayan's other books were adapted as a television series that ran for 39 episodes on the Doordarshan Broadcast Network in India, each about 20 minutes long. The series was remade in 2004 and broadcast in 2006. So, friends, in our syllabus, section 1 is of prose, and we are going to learn lesson number 1, An Astrologer's Day, which is from the Malgudi Days, written by the R.K. Narayan. Here, we are going to learn a story of the astrologer. So, maybe you are very interested in the astronomy and you would like to learn something about that, but this story is very interesting and we can get a very interesting story and we can get a very good humor there. We can enjoy that story. So friend, in my next video we'll learn many humor and many things about what he has written in that astrologer's tale. Thank you.